We are at the Ritchie Farm, also home of Cavern Kennels and Get a Buzz Honey. So, we're in here checking for the queen. Master beekeeper Robert Hilton's here with us today. It's an honor and privilege to have him here.
Been doing it for years.
Been doing it for years. He's going to examine the queen, do a thorough inspection. Put that one over there if you would, Master Beekeeper. On the other one, we're going to put our, right here on this one to be good, we're going to put our frames in there. But like Robert said, he's been doing this for years. Some kids, these don't scare him, but he has a little bit of a BB gun phobia. So they haven't made it over there yet. So it's a little bit of smoke. Smoker. There we go. Sometimes you got to pump up the smoker to get her smoking real good. You always want to smoke across the frames. You don't want to smoke down in the frame. We're just going to take a few of these out and see what the workers are doing as far as building cone. Oh yeah, they building a little bit of cone, building that up. Yeah, man. Looking good, looking good. There's that BB gun again. Robert, give us a little bit of analysis on this one.
We're looking good on this one right here. It's a little stuck to the comb in the bottom.
Yes, sir.
Looking for the queen. I see some honey right there, uncapped.
Yes, sir.
Uncapped honey. Look at that comb right there on the bottom they're building.
It's beautiful. Let me get the video down inside there just to show our faithful viewers what they do. See, they built that cone coming on up. Just for my...
a little upset right now.
Yep, we're going to put a little bit.
Smoke him down a little bit. Smoke him down. He's upset.
Smoke just comes. You can use all kind of stuff.
Look at this drone brood.
Yep.
Little uncapped and capped honey.
Yep, we got a little worker in there now doing
his business.
Yeah.
We ain't seen the queen yet. It's looking good.
It is looking good. Queen's doing a good job. In fact, like I said, we've only had these hives out here for probably about 8 weeks now. And it's going good. Today's May the 29th, 2017.
Oh, this one's heavy.
Yeah, they've got some cap honey up in there. Top. Got some brood at the bottom. Good laying pattern.
Mainly drone brood.
Yep.
Oh, look at that.
Right inside there.
That's good.
Honey going on. Looking very good. This is the second box. They're working the top box very good. That hive's just not as strong. In the back is the one that Master Beekeeper Robert Hilton's working on now. I don't know why. Same.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Busy bees. Busy bee. Looking very good. Very good.
No queen yet.
No queen yet. She's probably down there at the bottom. I don't have a queen excluder. Haven't made up my opinion about that. But for some smoker, I just chop up some old t-shirts.
Haven't found the queen yet.
No, still looking. Anybody watching this video, you know that's what you want to do. Is you want to check your queen to
sure she's still good.
Make sure she's good, laying. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful.
Still don't see a queen.
Still no queen. Still no queen. Yeah, then on the outside they get kind of
Lazy.
yeah, thin, far between. So we'll go ahead and put the other frame back in there and check the bottom.
We're taking this one off.
Yeah, we'll take that one off and set it over here on top of this top cap. There we go. Just so smoker's smoking. Alrighty.
It's called a hive tool.
Yes, sir. Walking through that hive tool there, Robert.
Right here, we're gonna hook it and book it.
Hook it and book it.
Oh,
They did. They little bit of smoke here. I'm going. You can tell the smoker ain't much smoke too much. You can tell the probably different sound.
he's getting a little upset.
Getting upset. We need some smoke. Smoke camouflages a pheromone that they excrete. You ain't smoking too much, but by golly, I hope you can tell my right glove's off. So
You want to try to pick this up?
yeah, let's ease it up. See what happens.
He's attacking me.
Yeah, they get a bit mad every now and then. That's the attack sound right there.
Yep.
You can definitely tell. That's what happens when you smoke her.
Runs out of smoke.
Yeah.
I might have to go ahead and put this top level on.
It didn't sting me, but it hit my hand. So we're gonna go ahead and since we're having technical difficulties. See if I can get this smoker to smoke. That's just what happens sometimes when